In this short film, we will see self-care measures for health promotion and immune boosting according to Ayurveda.
In the wake of COVID-19, entire mankind across the globe is suffering. Enhancing our body's natural defense mechanism, immunity plays an important role. We all know that prevention is better than cure. So, it is good to take preventive measures and for boosting our immunity and maintaining our health these times. Ayurveda, being a science of life, propagates extensive knowledge about Rutucharya, that is seasonal regimen, and Dinacharya, that is daily regimen for maintaining of health. It is a plant-based science, and this simplicity helps in uplifting our immunity.
ऋतुचर्या. What is ऋतुचर्या? ऋतु means season and charya means regimen. अभी वसंत ऋतु चल रहा है. I will tell you about the ahara and vihara which are undertaken in vasant ऋतु.
Body is made up of the three doshas. Those are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. And these doshas attain their Prakopavastha in respect to Ritu. And for example, in Vasant Ritu, there is a Kapha Prakopa will takes place. And if we don't elevate this Prakopita dosha, then the person will fall the ill. For this reason, we must follow the Ahara and Vihara according to the Ritu.
Vasanta Rutu. In this season, due to hot sunrise, there will be a kapha gets melts and moves towards the Jataragni, so that there will be a Mandagni, that is reduced digestive power. So person should take the rasa containing the Tikta Katu Kashaya. Tikta means bitter, Katu means spicy, and Kashaya means pungent, and should have to take the bitter gourd, carrot, garlic, brinjal, turmeric, amla, etc. like substances, and pulses like lentil, mudga, etc. are to be preferred.
Ahara Varjita, rasa to be avoided. Madhura, amla and lavana rasa. All these can aggravate the kapha. Madhura rasa, sugar cane, jaggery, sugar, ice cream and the sweets. Amla rasa, sour fruits, dadi. Newly cultivated dhanya, guru ahara, water filtered with the nagarmurtha, shunti and
Vihara to be followed are as Vyayama, Anjana, Chintana and use of warm water for drinking, bathing, etc. And Vihara to be avoided is Diva Swapna, that is taking sleep during daytime.
Yunjate Ananiti Yoga. Yoga is an art and science of healthy living. Yoga is a spiritual discipline based on an extremely subtle science which focuses on bringing the normalcy between the mind and body.
Sit in comfortable position. Place your ring finger and little finger on right nostril. Take a deep breath through left nostril. Hold your breath as much as possible, but don't overstress. Exhale slowly through your right nostril. Keep the left nostril closed. Continue to inhale and exhale for 5 to 8 minutes.
And also the nasal application with the sesame oil, coconut oil and the grutha, and along with this the oil pulling therapy, that is a Gandusha, is also indicated.
Ayurvedic immune promoting measures are Chyawanprash 10 gram, herbal tea, broccoli soup, turmeric with milk, badam, and steam inhalation of ajwain and pudina can be used, and these can treat the general dry.
Sadvichar. Stay positive.
Nitya Vyayama, exercise daily.
Eat healthy.
Na chinta, worry less.
Indriyamana prasannata, spread happiness.
Swasthya Rakshana, stay strong.
Hello everyone. Ayurveda first intention is Swasthasya Swasthya Rakshanam. It means protection of the health of the healthy person. So by following Dinacharya and Ratucharya, we can protect our health. So now presently Vasanta Ritu is going on. So to avoid some illness of Vasanta Ritu, you just follow the Vasanta Ritu Charya. So stay home, stay safe, follow Ayush guidelines. Thank you, Atharva batch.